Peace and love, beautiful souls. I hope everyone is out here feeling great today. I'm a little bit under the weather. Under the weather, what does that even mean? Anyway, I'm coming here. We're going to cover a few things. First, we're going to address the upcoming fasting challenge, Come Fast with the Queen for 30 days challenge. We're going to be addressing that. We're going to also be addressing some changes to the challenge, dates and times. So let's just get into it. I am going to first start off by apologizing. I have made so many announcements about this upcoming challenge for the 30 days starting on tomorrow, January 4th. Unfortunately, as you can see, I'm a little under the weather, as I mentioned, and I just can't, get everything together. I kind of forced myself to get up here now and physically do this video so that I could address the situation. I just didn't want to leave anyone who was anticipating or wanting to participate in the challenge, just leave them hanging. That's not what I'm out to do. However, this is what I am going to say, just to kind of get right into it. The challenge that is scheduled for tomorrow, January 4th, where we're going to do the prepping for 8 days and then 22 days of fasting. First off, it's been postponed. Yeah, I know. However, it's been postponed, but it's not gone forever. We're going to do the challenge. It's just going to be at a different time. Now, we're also going to do things in between the time that it starts and the time that it actually, with the time that we're scheduling it for. And so leading up to the time that it starts, which is, we're going to move the date to January 15th. I don't know what day of the week it is, but it's a significant date for me. So the date, January 15th, is the date that I started my original fasting journey. It'll be a year, January 15th, so I thought the significance of that would be a great time to get this one started as well. I'd had great success with it starting on that date. I didn't make the date. I didn't create the date. It just happened. One day I woke up and I was like, I'm fasting. I needed to change my life, and that's what I did. Now, since we're moving the date to the 15th, I want to implement some things that we will, interact with between now and then. What we'll be doing is daily fasting challenges. So definitely intermittent fasting. Every day, one meal. From starting tomorrow, one meal, and we can choose a window of, I don't know, I'm kind of doing this on the fly, right? I'm doing it as I'm talking to you right now. So what I'm thinking is, they have the different windows. It's a 24-hour window that you can fast in for the intermittent fasting. And I typically do a 23-1, meaning I don't eat for 23 hours and I give myself a 1-hour eating window. However, I think that's kind of strenuous for some people who have not even begun to do any type of fasting at all. But doing intermittent fasting can also be a part of the prep. In the midst of that, also doing some detoxing. So the detoxing that you would be doing in that same manner would be utilizing some type of detox teas. I could get you a list of those teas. I don't have them offhand. I guess I should have been more prepared, but like I said, I'm thinking about this on the fly, right? I'm just wanting to come to you and address the situation, not leaving you in any type of cloud or leaving you hanging, because I don't like to do that, because I don't want anybody to leave me hanging. You get what I'm saying? So what I will do is I'll get that list, I'll put it out on a public community post, or I'll do another video with the teas that you can use as and utilize during your prep to get ready for the fast. So we'll do that. I'll put that on my to-do list. Matter of fact, let me write it on my notebook now. Okay, so I made myself a little note. Now, also, like I mentioned, we'll do like fasting challenges, daily fasting challenges, which will, maybe we'll switch up that window. That window will probably look something like, like I said, I'm not going to make anybody do the 23-1. Maybe we'll start out on the first day of the challenge, which is tomorrow. We'll start out with a 16-1. So 16 hours of fasting, 8-hour window to eat. Just because you have an 8-hour window to eat doesn't mean that you eat that whole 8-hour time frame. Eat till you're satisfied. Don't put a lot of thought process into thinking, oh, I only got 8 hours to eat, and so you're trying to fit everything in that you want to eat because that's your allotted time. Instead, eat till you're full, not stuffed, but till you're full, till you can feel your body telling you that you're satisfied. Make sure you're putting things in your body. Let's stay away from fried foods. Let's stay away from fatty foods. Let's stay away from ultra-processed foods. Let's make some healthier choices during the windows that we eat. And then we can also be seeing benefits up to the time we get to go into the 30-day fasting challenge. Okay? So on the 15th. So this will help us put together we'll put together like a plan. So like this just came to me. I wanted to get on here, talk to you about it because it's important. It's important to keep everything in place the way it's supposed to be. When you tell somebody you're going to do something, you do it, right? So that's what I'm trying to do. Okay, so we've already addressed that we're going to postpone the fasting challenge from tomorrow from January 4th to January 15th. The significance was that's when I started my original fasting journey, where I actually took it serious. I fasted in previous times, but I didn't take it seriously, where I actually pushed all the way through. I just began to listen to my body, and my body was telling me it's time. And I'm glad I listened to my body because it changed my life. And that's why I'm such a big advocate of fasting, because it changed my life, and I know it could change the lives of so many others. 2, the fasting, the anniversary of my original date to start fasting, I'm going to be releasing a video showing the progress throughout the time, from the time I started up until the recent days. I'm going to release that video as well as a kickoff to the January 15th fasting challenge, also to celebrate the anniversary of a year in. All the ups, the downs, everything that's happened throughout the time, celebrated times, the times that wasn't celebrated but recognized. Also, now the daily, so now we're going to go back and let's repeat it. So we're going to do the daily challenges, where we're going to do the intermittent, and I may come on and we might switch it up from the 16-8 to 18-6, right? So 18 hours fasting, 6 hours eat window. And we'll keep decreasing it until we get to a point, where we're almost completely fasting for a 24-hour period. Again, doing the detox teas. I'm going to get back to you on the detox teas. And I don't have too much more really to discuss, other than, I appreciate each and every one of you. I thank you all who have subscribed to my channel. I thank all of you who have participated and who interacts and engages. I hope that you're liking the content that I'm putting out here as it pertains to the different foods that I create. All of this is playing a part. All this plays a part in my health and wellness journey. It's all about how I perceive it. But I want to include how you would like, what you would like to see as well. So if you could, leave in the comments what you like to see. What is it that you would like to see, or would you like to get information on, or what would you like to do, things like that. Because this channel is not, it's called Queen's Alchemy, but it's really about you, right? Because I'm sharing my experiences and my life experiences, and I'm sharing my experiences to be a benefit to you. We typically don't realize that what we go through in life is not for us, but for others, so that we can express those things and let people know that, one, they're not by themselves. Two, that somebody out here actually cares and they want to be there for you. So that's me, right? I told you this community that I'm building is a safe space. Come on in. I'm welcoming you with open arms. And on that note, check out some of the other videos, and you have a beautiful rest of your day. Thank you for listening, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.